Today we're going to clean a couch with the Spotclean Pro by Bissell. So there's the Bissell Spotclean Pro. It comes with two attachment heads, and they're just different degrees of width of the spray. And they spray, and then they also suction up the water. And then we're using the Bissell Professional Pet Stain and Odor. There's different solutions. We chose this one because we have a pet. So here's what we're going to be cleaning: a couch and an ottoman. But first we're going to put down a plastic drop cloth so that we don't get water all over this nice engineered hardwood. This is the tank for the solution. It's going to take hot water all the way up to that top line, the fill line, and then once the hot water is in there, we're going to put 2 ounces of the solution. Okay, so now the solution tank is filled up, and we're going to put it in the machine like this, ready to go. This right here is where the dirty water is going to come out of. It's actually the dirty water is going to go in here. This is where the tube that we're going to hook the attachment on, and we're going to do our small ottoman first. So we're going to use a small attachment first. And turn it around. Here's where the cord is. When the cord comes off, we're going to plug it in, and let's begin. Okay, so with the small nozzle attachment here, we're going to press down on this knob here once the machine is on, and you'll see how wide it could spray. And we're going to do the side of this ottoman first. So here we go. Okay, so you can see that we just sprayed the whole side first. And now I'll show you how the suctioning attachment works. Same attachment. Now we're just going to turn it on, but we're not going to press this knob, okay? We're just going to scrape along there like that, and it'll suck up the water. So here we go. Okay, so that has sucked the water, and it's still damp. So I'm going to do the entire ottoman, and then we're just going to, let it dry. It'll take a couple hours for it to dry. So when you do something like this, you're going to want to do it like earlier in the day, and just let it dry out, and then the next day it should be fine. Okay, so the ottoman is now drying. Okay, now I'm going to do the larger couch, and for this I'm going to use a larger, spraying head and, suctioning head. So let's just turn it on and go to it. Okay, so the couch is all done now. And just one more thing I wanted to show you. So this is our tank of the water, and look how dirty that is. So you can see this works really well. Okay, so this is about a day later. This is the final result, very clean. Some parts of the couch are still drying, but a lot of dirt came out and it looks very, very, very nice.